Hello everyone, and today at Windstorm Products we're going to be discussing the different lengths in our male PanelMate system, as well as doing a demonstration on the installation process. The first part of our installation process when installing the male PanelMates is to pre-drill your hole. When pre-drilling into a wood structure, you're going to want to start out with a 3/16 drill bit. When going into masonry, you would use a 7/32. We are going into wood, so I've already installed my 3/16 drill bit. We're just going to line it up like so. Drill down and then clear off the spot. All right, so now that we've established which type of PanelMate that is going to be required for our installation, I'm going to go ahead and install the two different sizes to show you the difference in the length of the threaded stud side. And then we'll do our shorter one. All right. So as you see, once you're looking at them, this is our 1 1/8. It's a little bit longer than our 7/8, so you can kind of see once it's in the structure how far it would stick out on the side of your house. Okay, so now that we've installed our anchors, I'll show you all the accessories that coincide with those to make your system actually work. So you have your wing nut. Your wing nut is what's going to secure your plywood, your aluminum shutters, or your plastic shutters while they're in use. So you just simply put on your whatever you're using to protect it, and then just screw the wing nut on until it's tight against the whatever it is that you're using. When they're not in use, you do want to protect them. We do have the plastic caps that you can use to protect them. And the longer one, we offer them in the white and the bronze, and then just the white and the shorter one. But they are simple installation. You just push them right on like so, and this will protect the anchors and keep the longevity of them when they're not in use with your shutters. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at our male PanelMates. As you can tell, we offer those in multiple lengths. Over here we have our 7/8 threaded side. These are used strictly for the metal shutters, and we offer those in two different lengths. Over here you'll see on the 1 1/8 threaded side, we offer those in multiple lengths ranging anywhere from 2 1/4 down to 7 3/8. We also offer those in multiple coatings. We have them in the saw guard coating, the white coating, and then the stainless coating, which is what we suggest for our high corroded areas, barrier islands, and coastal areas and things like that. If we move a little bit further down, you'll see the installation tool. That's the 3/16 Pro Driver that you use to install the PanelMates. And then the wing nut is what you would use to hold up whatever you're using to protect your home, whether it's plywood, shutters, anything like that. Over here is what you would use to install your wing nuts. It makes it a lot easier with the Power Driver. And then we also offer the Power Driver XL for those hard to reach places such as around bushes and shrubbery. When your shutters are not in use, to protect your male PanelMates, because they do stick out on the structure of your home, you'd want to use a plastic cap. In the 1 1/8, we do offer those in two different colors, and then we have the white one for your 7/8 threaded stud side. All of the products that we discussed today can be found on our website at windstormproducts.com. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.